Let's take a look at the chart action for XRP. Alright, so here's what I'm looking at. We're on the weekly time frame, and we have resistance right here, resistance right here. We have support right here, and support down here. Let's zoom out a little bit, and we'll do a top trend line right here, and we have a bottom support line. We actually have two support lines. We have one right here, and then we also have another one going up like this. Like I said, this is on the weekly time frame, so this might take a little while to play out, or it might take a while to know whether we're breaking up or down. Like, we just got a wick up and then it got rejected and it came back down. So what I really would want to see is us close a candle above this trend line and then have another one going green if we're pushing to the upside, or if we go to the downside, it'd be a red candle and then you know what I mean? I want to see us close the candles to confirm whether we're going down or whether we're going up, because right now we could get wicks going up, either up or down, either way. But it does look like this is a downtrend and an uptrend. We're coming into this area where we're having to decide whether we go up or we go down. In general, the market has been kind of trending down, so let's just kind of look at levels that I would probably look for support on. If we go to the daily time frame, what I was looking at is we had a lot of support in this area right here. This is sitting at around 107, and then we also came down, got a little bit of support here, and then got a bounce and started trading in this area again. So this area right here is sitting around 88, 87 cents, something like that. So I would look maybe limit orders right here and right here if I was going to buy some more XRP, or if I wanted to dollar cost average after taking profits or something like that. I'm not 100% sure if it's going to go down. We still don't know. Like I said, it's still possible it goes up or down. So yeah, you won't know until it starts breaking out. These could also be areas that you could maybe add to your position or something if you were planning on buying more XRP in general. Just my opinion though. I mean, not financial advice, because it could also always go to the downside of this as well. I mean, we have this support right here and this support right here giving us this upward support trend line. So even if we broke to the downside, maybe we could get a bounce on this line right here, and that kind of lines up with some of these levels, potentially this one down here. If we broke to the upside, let's go back to the weekly time frame. If we broke to the upside, I would be looking at this resistance and this resistance. This is sitting at 1.30 and this one is sitting at 1.56. We actually got a wick up and hit this level right here and then got rejected and came back down. That's why I like watching these levels of resistance and using them for targets. In general though, we do have support right here, and support right here, and we have not broken that trend line going to the downside. I think if we continue to head up, we could drag this trend line going to the upside and maybe watch this trend line for a break to the downside. Until we do, then we can assume that we're heading up and maybe coming up for these targets. But like I said, if we start breaking this trend line going to the downside, what I would look for are these previous support levels and maybe this trend line as well. The other thing you probably want to keep your eye on is the volume down here. If we get a break to the upside, you're going to be wanting to watch for those green candles, like these green candles over here where they're nice and green big. Shout out to the people on the Discord. This video was requested by someone on the Discord. So if you guys like these videos, you should go check it out. I'll put the link in the description. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Hit that thumbs up if you liked the video.